Hi everyone, welcome back to another video of Where's the Data. Today we're going to be taking a look at GeoQuery, which is a tool provided by Data that basically provides an interface where you're able to get access to their datasets. I think this is really amazing because even if you are not technical, you're still able to get hold of the data compared to having to make requests to their API, which would involve like a little bit of scripting. So today I wanted us to check out the types of data that they have. And I would say from the company, it is mostly related to aid, right? So from this video, we're going to have another video where we're going to be doing an analysis of the data that we're going to be downloading from the site just to get an idea of how to work with it. And okay, so immediately we start. I think I am already logged in, but you can confirm from your end. And we'll just click on get started. And I am biased with Kenya because that's what I'm familiar with. But there is multiple. I think I'm not sure if it's all, but it looks like all where the data is available. So we can select the type of boundary that we want, and the difference is just the granularity that exists. Like when you check out the two, we see it's split into more divisions, yeah. But we'll just go with our ADM1, which is our county. So that should be about 47 counties that are present in Kenya. And when we search it, we are going to find I think that the architecture with which this tool was built is actually quite handy because they don't have the data present on the website, or it's not hosted here. To get the data, you just send a request. So I think it goes in the form of like a filter, so like an SQL query, and then the results of the query is sent to you. So these are the different types of data sets we have. There are 89, and we have the aid data, population, protected areas, and nighttime lights. So depending on the application of what you want to research, that would affect basically the data set that you go with. So like the nighttime, I think we'd use the nighttime to gauge how active a city is in the night. We have the precipitation, we have the temperature, we have annual surface PM. I don't know what this means. Okay, the ground level fine particulate matter. Okay, we have the elevation, we have the slope, we have CO2 concentration, and we have land surface temperature. There are multiple, but I will just show the data that we're going to be using in our subsequent analysis. And so I think I was interested with the ozone concentration, and the ozone would basically tell the state of the air, the air, the air of Kenya basically, and it provides the mean across different years. And I wanted to do a correlation of the ozone concentration to the land use. It was here. I'm pretty sure it was here. I don't know why I can't see it. Okay, yeah, here, land cover, and it provides categories such as cropland, the forest, grassland, sparse. We have the urban, bare areas, water bodies. Let's see if we have one to do with land use. Because maybe land use would be, this is still land cover type. Okay. So trying to compare the concentration of the ozone in these distinct categories. And after downloading, so what I did, I have already downloaded my data, but I selected the distinct years from the ozone concentration, as we had noted, were for a couple of years, and it wasn't as much as this one. So like I think it was starting from 1990, then 1995, so it was like a skip of 5 years. So I selected the years that are present in the ozone and compared them and selected similar to the ESA land cover. And so let's just do an example of what you can do. So let's say you want the count in the categorical. So as you see, it's structured like a filter. And what you'll do, you'll come and click add to request. Got it. And the good thing is that you're able to add multiple requests. So like if we want for monthly, 2020, all the years, but let's just do 20. Let's say you're doing all the years, which is 40. Oh wow, those are many years. So because this is just an example, I'm not going to send the request because I won't be using this data. But as you can see, you can group the data that you want. And what this is going to do is that the result of your request is going to be compressed into one file. So an example of that, how that is going to look like, is here. So this is the one that I did for the air pollution, which is basically it says the ozone concentration. So we will take it as ozone. The air pollution is the ozone concentration, and then we also have the land cover. We have the cropland, rain-fed cropland. We have the forest. We have the shrubland. We have no data. We might probably remove that column. And this, so what we're going to do is we're going to be using pandas to do an analysis of this data. I haven't come across an output that is in a form that is not either CSV or a GeoJSON. So I don't think you're going to get what's it called, raster data. Most of it is vector values that you're going to be using. So if you are interested in the result of our analysis, be sure to check out probably the next video. It should be the next video, so I should get done with this soon. And yeah, if you have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comments. And yeah, thank you. Have a great day.